Hi! Welcome to Bookbox. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell icon to get our latest videos.
Timmy and Pepe. Author Madhav Chavan. I am Timmy. This is my friend Pepe the puppy. I like to tease Pepe. I tell him I am better than him. He does not like it. Look, I have a nose, I say. Woof, says Pepe. That means he has a nose too. Look, I have ears, I say. Woof, says Pepe. That means he has ears too. Look, I have eyes, I say. Woof, says Pepe. That means he has eyes too. Look, I can dance on my legs, I say. Woof, 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 says Pepe. That means he has legs too. Look, I have a tongue, I say. Woof, says Pepe. That means he has a tongue too. I can think, I say. Woof, says Pepe. That means he can think better. Look, I have hands, I say. Grrrrrr, Pepe says, and turns to show his little tail. That means he has a tail and I don't have one. But I love Pepe the puppy, and he loves me too.
Hey there! Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, please leave your comments below.